Today ends my bagger saga. I got to play with some big boy toys for a couple of weeks. It was very awesome. Got to experience something new. Got to see what that side of the world lives like and how it feels. Still not for me, guys. Riding baggers for the last month and a half has been an amazing experience. You realize that these big behemoths are mobile and they're able and they're agile and they can do anything any motorcycle can do. The bags are convenient, but they're not great. I got a rain jacket and a sweater in one bag, which pretty much makes it obsolete except for the small stuff on top, like a hat that I got to flatten down. Another one, I got my camera equipment. That takes up a lot of space, mainly because I have to keep it in the backpack so it doesn't rattle around and fly everywhere. So the backpack is actually what's taking up most of the room. It is what it is, guys. To those of you telling me to open the vent and it'll stop buffeting, guess what, guys? There's no difference. Maybe it's my height. Maybe it's because my torso is longer than my legs. I sit a little bit taller than most people. Who knows? But this buffeting just sucks. And at least the good news is, that's probably my biggest complaint about this motorcycle, about the Street Glide. It's just that, which can be rectified by buying a new windshield. Maybe something lower so the wing comes more at chin level, maybe something higher so it takes it right above. But the current configuration is not for me. And there's a very good reason why I wanted to go down this journey at baggers for the last couple of weeks. Because today, I'm grabbing something that I've been waiting for a couple of months. Due to shipping restrictions, it's been very hard to grab parts and other things that you need to build a motorcycle right now, so it's been taking a lot longer than it has needed to, so that's why. But today's the day that I grabbed something that I get to hang on to for a while. It's gonna be my new partner in crime. It's gonna be the thing that I'm gonna take across state lines. It's the thing that I'm gonna take camping and on journeys and new adventures. This is my new... this is my Atreyu. Start crying, you little emo kid. This is the part in the video where I'd usually intercut a snippet of the movie, and looking up the Atrix, by the way, not Atreyu. Atreyu is the kid who owns Atrix and rides them, and not the point. Looking up to the actual scene from Neverending Story where the horse starts to die, instantly started tearing up. I'm not doing that to you. That is not fun for anybody. Sorry, not gonna happen. Sorry, I'm not doing that to you. I don't know. Maybe I won't call it a Atreyu. That's really sad, actually. Do you biscuit? No. Falcor? Who's a white dragon? We'll figure out a famous steed name for it later. Not the point. The point is going back to the world of riding back. It's just the point of there's another way to do this thing for a lot less. And on a really quick note, I'd like to shamelessly say thank you to Bert Harley Davidson for allowing me, Shay Lisi, and Mr. Straight Tree Surgeon ahead of me to let us all borrow these motorcycles to play with out of the kindness of their own hearts for the most part. There's no contracts. There's just a lot of handshake deals. It's like, you want to ride this motorcycle and make videos on it? Sure, here, borrow it. Go for it. That's all it is. But Bert Harley Davidson allows us three to borrow these machines, make reviews on them, have some fun. Hell, they even said it's okay for me to do a burnout. Don't tell them I said that. Just don't kill the tire. They're just rad dudes. If you're ever in the area, stop by and say hi at the minimum, please. But on that note, some hip hops in the earphones. We're close to Bert's. We'll talk there. End of the road for me and the Street Glide, guys. Here we are at Bert Harley Davidson. This time I am returning it with a half a tank to make up for the last time that I returned the Road Glide with a 0 tank. Thanks for asking if I needed any gas. You need gas? I'm not giving them any more gas. Sorry guys, love ya. But with every bittersweet end comes a new beginning. This should be fun. I absolutely loved riding baggers. It was so much fun. It was an experience. It was knowledge gaining. It was fantastic, but yo ho, the bagger life is not for me. So in the grand scheme of things, I don't know what to grab next. I'm over the standard. Why would I want it again? I already had it. It wasn't that great. That standard though looks fantastic. Gunner over here said, hey, let's upgrade a standard for you. So, new handlebars, got bags, got a sissy bar, we got a new seat. This is the whole point of the standard. It's not to necessarily buy a standard. It's so you can do all the things you want to do to a motorcycle. This thing has the same engine as the Road Glide and the Street Glide. Make it what you want, man. That's the whole point of buying a Harley. My guy Ryan over here in the parts department of Burt's Harley Davidson.
What's going on, guys?
Got any questions about parts? That's the guy to go look for. Look at him, look at him. There he goes, there he goes. He's the guy in parts department you want to go talk to.
So now realizing that my audio did not work through this entire trip, I came to realize as soon as I got on the motorcycle that for whatever reason, the speedometer was in kilometers. And then when I drive by a state trooper parked up, I have no idea what 130 kilometers an hour means. So luckily he decided not to bother me and just let me go home. I didn't really say anything through this whole ride, I just enjoyed it. The next video is going to tell you more. Wait for that one.
So we got the standard home. I know I got a lot more to say about it. It's just like, this needs to have its own video, just kind of talk about all the little adjustments and things that we did to it. Thanks to Gunner for everything that he's done for us. Thanks to Josh just for being a good friend, and I love him to death. But this bike is a lot of fun. It sounds great, it feels great. It's great to be on a motorcycle. It's less than 1,000 pounds again. But folks, you know how this works. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.